Welcome to Help EDUCARE channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.
Dear students of Standard 5 from Maharashtra Board, today we are going to solve some multiple choice questions from subject EVS, Part 1, Chapter 4, Environmental Balance. Please note that there are 2 video sets. Each set has 20 multiple choice questions. This video has second set of 20 questions. The link of first video set is given in description. Question number 1. Living things use oxygen from the air for breathing. Which gas they give out? Your options are A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Hydrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer is option D. Carbon dioxide. Question number 2. Which gas do plants take from the air to make their food? Your options are A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Correct answer is option A. Carbon dioxide. Question number 3. For the existence of living things, is it important that environmental balance to be maintained? Your options are A. Yes, it is important. B. No, it is not important. Correct answer is option A. Yes, it is important. Question number 4. Along with various other cycles and food chains in nature, which of the following helps in maintaining balance in the environment? Your options are A. Motorcycle, B. Water cycle, C. Bicycle, D. Tricycle. Correct answer is option B. Water cycle. Question number 5. Do the microorganisms form a part of the environment? Your options are A. Yes, B. No. Correct answer is option A. Yes, the microorganisms form a part of the environment. Question number 6. It is necessary to maintain biodiversity. Is it true or false? Your options are A. True, B. False. Correct answer is option A. True. Biodiversity must be maintained. Question number 7. Does a grasshopper eat birds? Your options are A. Yes, B. No. Correct answer is option B. No. A grasshopper does not eat birds, but birds eat grasshopper in food chain. Question number 8. One living thing can be a part of only one food chain. Is it true or false? Your options are A. True, B. False. Correct answer is option B. False. One living thing can be a part of a number of food chains. That gives rise to a food web in nature. Question number 9. Which of the following living in the soil help the process of decomposition of plant residue, dead animals, excreta? Your options are A. Microprocessors, B. Microorganisms, C. Microcomputers, D. Microelectrodes. Correct answer is option B. Microorganisms. Microorganisms are found in soil, which help the process of decomposition of plant residue, dead animals, excreta. Question number 10. Substances that help the growth of plants are formed by the process of decomposition. Is it true or false? Your options are A. True, B. False. Correct answer is option A. True. In the process of decomposition, many substances formed which help the growth of plants. Question number 11. What will happen if the deer is missing in the food chain given below? Your options are A. The population of tigers increases. B. The population of grass increases. C. Tiger will start eating grass. D. The population of tiger decreases and the population of grass increases. Correct answer is option D. The population of tiger decreases and the population of grass increases. If deer is missing in the food chain, tigers will start dying due hunger. And since there will be no grass-eating deer, so the population of grass will also increase. Question number 12. Which of the following constitute a food web? Your options are A. Various interlinked food chains in a community. B. Relationship between animals and plants. C. Relationship between organisms and their environment. D. Relationship between animals, plants, and microbes. Correct answer is option A. Various interlinked food chains in a community. Question number 13. Find the correct sequence in the following food chain. Your options are A. Grass to insects, insects to birds, birds to snake. B. Grass to snake, snake to insects, insects to deer. C. Grass to wolf, wolf to deer, deer to buffalo. D. Bacteria to grass, grass to rabbit, rabbit to wolf. Correct answer is option A. Grass to insects, insects to birds, birds to snake. In this food chain, snake eats birds, birds eat insects, and insects eat grass. Question number 14. Identify the missing in the following food chain. Your options are A. Rabbit, B. Parrot, C. Cobra, D. Wolf. Correct answer is option C. Cobra. In a specific food chain, an eagle eats cobra and a cobra eats frog. Question number 15. By whom the living things interact constantly? Your options are A. Organisms, B. Environment, C. Non-living things, D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C. Non-living things. Question number 16. If wild animals are killed, what difficulty would we face? Your options are A. Imbalance in nature, B. Decrease in fog rain, C. Decrease in population, D. Increase in rain. Correct answer is option A. Imbalance in nature. Question number 17. Identify the possible missing link in the given food chain. Your options are A. Rabbit, B. Insect, C. Parrot, D. Wolf. Correct answer is option B. Insect. In this food chain, eagles eat cobra, cobra eats frog, frog eats insects, and insects eat plant. Question number 18. Who are usually the last organisms in the food chain? Your options are A. Photosynthetic plants, B. Herbivores, C. Carnivores, D. Decomposers. Correct answer is option D, decomposers. In every food chains, decomposers are usually the last organisms. Question number 19. Which of the following statements is not true related to food chains? Your options are A. It shows which organisms feed on which other. B. It shows the number of each organism eaten by another. C. Plants form the basis of food chains. D. It shows the order in which organisms are fed upon by other. Correct answer is option B. It shows the number of each organism eaten by another. Question number 20. Which of the following is a correct food chain in grassland? Your options are A. Grass eaten by snake, snake eaten by insect, insect eaten by deer. B. Grass eaten by wolf, wolf eaten by deer, deer eaten by buffalo. C. Bacteria eaten by grass, grass eaten by rabbit, rabbit eaten by wolf. D. Grass eaten by insect, insect eaten by frog, frog eaten by snake. Correct answer is option D. Grass eaten by insect, insect eaten by frog, frog eaten by snake.
Thank you for watching Help channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.